nice day, y'all.
Buy one?
No.
This is caveman shit.
One what? An apartment? No, I got my own house, man. I just look homeless, brother.
You coming along?
It's been a while.
Well, we're just a small, well, three of us really.
Yeah.
This is a big job. We normally do single family homes.
Yeah.
So, like all this hardy board, it was just the three of us. Now the
Yeah.
three of us.
Now you're with some siding. You're not with the brick guys, right?
No, our guys, I work for the owner. The brick guys kind of do their own thing. The drywall guys.
Yeah.
We do a lot of some of the odds and ends type of stuff. You know, like
Can I ask who the owner is?
Wayne Butterfield.
Okay.
Butterfield,
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I know Wayne. I used to do concrete pumping and stuff. I used to pump his modular buildings.
Yep.
And all
That's
that.
been a while, yeah.
Yeah. I used to have a concrete pumping business also, and a concrete masonry business. So, yeah, it's been a long time. I've been disabled for over 16 years now. I messed my back up bad. But
Yeah, he just got out of the hospital.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, been having some heart problems.
Now I know they own the auction places. They still own that, right?
No, they sold
don't.
that. Oh,
The restaurant and everything.
quite a bit ago.
Oh, okay.
4 or 5 years ago, maybe.
Yeah. Well, you take care, man. It was nice meeting you, brother.
Hey, you're welcome.
Take care.